Watch Anatoly prank these youngsters with a very special exercise.
Call emergency if something. Good. No worries. No heavy. Good. No worries.
It wouldn't be any fun if we didn't add a little drama in the beginning.
I would like to just one more time. Oh, yeah. That's what I wanted to do it. Okay. I will back.
He's taking the weights for a walk.
Okay. Oh, good helicopter. Oh, I remember when I was in the army. There is a lot of good helicopters. Apache. You know Apache? Helicopter.
It hits differently when an old man makes you look weak. Pure emotional damage.